So what can you buy here in Las Terrenas for $200,000 or in that area? So recently a complex has just been developed, has just been built. It's called Coralstone Residency. It's located about 600 to 700 feet from the beaches and the ocean front here in Punta Popi. The residency is quite small, but it's very compact and cozy. It is also located in a very quiet spot. So I think this is a very good opportunity for those of you who are looking to purchase real estate, especially if you have a small family. So they're finishing up the work right here, and we have one unit up for sale. This is a one-bedroom unit with 805 square feet. Here in front of us, we have the parking lot that goes with this complex. Everywhere here, we have new residencies that were just developed recently, so it's pretty quiet here. And even right now, in the peak of day, it's pretty quiet. So here we have 3 floors. And on the 3rd floor, on the top floor, we have a terrace. That's the penthouse unit. So pretty compact and cozy territory right here. Nothing really special. Of course, it has its own green, well-kept lawn, so everything is nice and tidy. This complex was built very quickly. Everything here is sold. And only this unit that I'm going to show you guys today is up for sale and available. It is located on the 1st floor. For a small family, for 2 people, this is a wonderful unit. Like I said, this complex is new. It's built with the best of materials available. Here, separate on this territory, we have 2 villas that have their own pool, and the communal territory that everybody has access to, where we have the pool that everybody has access to. The pool has its own little fountain, so it's pretty small, but a very nice pool, very well designed. Not far from this complex, we have all the necessary amenities that you need, guys. All the stores, the fish market, the beaches of Punta Popi. The beaches there are wonderful. You can take a ride on the yachts and just enjoy yourself with your friends. Here on top of the pool, we have a jacuzzi. So all in all, very compact, very well designed, but also very close to the beaches. Also, this is a good investment opportunity if you want to buy a unit and then rent it out and have a passive source of income. If you want to lease it out on a long-term basis, it'll go about $1,000 per month. And per night, it will go for about $150, maybe $200 per night. The price for this unit is $174,000 if you are willing to purchase it without the furniture. And later on, I'll show you guys, probably in a separate video, another apartment unit, but it is currently in the takeover phase. So now let's have a look at this unit. These units are for sale. It is being closed, so now we're going to have a look at an analogous unit so you guys have an idea of what it looks like. It has the same exact layout, so don't worry. So this unit is with furniture, and if you want to purchase that unit with the furniture, it will cost you $189,000 US. So the price difference between with and without furniture is $15,000 US. The furniture, the materials here are of the best quality. So here we have a pretty spacious living room. So pretty spacious. This unit reminds me of a typical apartment hotel unit in a apartment hotel complex, where the units and the rooms are fully loaded with all the appliances that you need. Also, I must add that this territory is guarded. You have a pool. All the amenities are nearby. Here we also have a grill. This is a Charbroil Grill. This is one of my favorite grill producing companies, grill manufacturers. I'm a big fan. Great grill if you want to grill some steaks. This unit also has its own terrace, and it's pretty spacious considering the size of this unit. Here on a terrace, we have a little table, and of course here it has its own mosquito netting. So for those of you guys who are looking for a new unit, a new real estate that has just recently been developed, this is a wonderful opportunity for you guys, and a wonderful opportunity for those of you that are looking for a budget-friendly unit or budget-friendly real estate. And it's also pretty compact. Plus, here in this unit, we have 2 bathrooms. I don't really know why 2 bathrooms, but one is like a guest bathroom, I guess, and another one that goes with the bedroom. Here we have everything that we need: a sink, toilet, showering area. That's the shower right there. And right here we have the washing machine. And right here to our left, we have a very spacious bedroom. So here, guys, you can have a look for yourself. enough room here to lay out everything that you need. Here we have a closet, a queen-sized bed and mattress. Everything is brand new. We have some personal knickknacks, some paintings, some decorations. We also have air conditioning, an air fan will be installed a little bit later. So everything here is being wrapped up in the development phase, and it has the final touches left, and it'll be put up for sale. Here we also have another full bathroom. It goes to this bedroom. So here we have everything that we need: toilet, sink, shower, and what is very important that I have said in my previous videos, a window for air ventilation that lets in the airflow that prevents molding and the ruining of the tiling and all the plumbing in your bathroom. Dominican Republic is a very humid country, so keep that in mind, that you have natural airflow in any real estate that you are looking to purchase here. And I also must add, this is a very pretty picture out of the small window. It's like a postcard. And I think that's one of the biggest upsides of the Dominican Republic. You always have this just natural beauty surrounding you everywhere. You might be in the center of town, but it's always present. And right here we have access to the inner court, the backyard. Here you have your own little private territory, your little own area. You can put some things here, maybe a little coffee table, some chairs, maybe some plants, basically whatever you want, whatever are your desires, how you deem fit to decorate your unit and your own little private area. So all in all, that's it. I'd like to remind you guys, 805 square feet, $174,000 without the furniture, and with furniture, $189,000. I think this is a wonderful residency right by the ocean, a great opportunity. Everything is nearby, and most importantly, it's brand new. I'll see you in my next videos.